Hello again. My name is Masaki Tanzawa, and I am a licensed property management manager in Japan. This time I will talk about property forecast 2021. And one more thing again, the Japanese green card business manager visa. Okay, let's get started looking at the slides. As a basic knowledge, please note that the Japanese property market is in steady growth and uptrend as ever. We have it for announcement of the Ministry of Land, Infrastructure and Transport and Tourism. Our price and the contract number fell by a COVID-19 crisis tentatively, but still there is it in an upward trend generated last year. In particular, Tokyo Central area, Tokyo 23 wards, the tendency is remarkable. First, I would say the key factors to keep the market active are 2 points. Then one, number of newly built condos will remain the same. Two, the prices will remain high. The Property Research Institution revealed in the Market Forecast 2021 that the number of newly built condos will recover to the same level as 2019. See the table, please see the table. According to the Tokyo capital area and Kinki, Western Japan area, condominium market forecast released by the Real Estate Economic Research Institute in December last year. The supply of new condos in 2021 forecasted to be 32,000 units in the Tokyo capital area and 19,000 units in the Kinki, Western Japan area. Regarding the price, we believe that condo prices are likely to remain high. This is because compared to the recession at the Lehman shock, condo prices are now less likely to fall in the market structure. In fact, even in a new corona disaster, it is the COVID-19 disaster, it is higher than that of an economic shock at Lehman level. It can be said that it was proven that the current market structure is strongly resistant to the economic shocks by keeping the price of a condo stable. And furthermore, the second-hand market prop up the price of a condo and will continue to be price increase factor. As of 2019, the share of the second-hand market has clearly reversed the new sales market due to the high price stability of new construction and the decrease in the number of units in the Tokyo capital area over the past few years. And it is certain that the gap will widen further from the results from January to November in 2020. So that there is no doubt that the share of second-hand condos in property market will increase further because it is definite that the number of newly built units will be reduced. In January, September total, the number of second-hand units contracted has nearly doubled by the number of newly built units released. And if this pace continues, 60% to 70% of condo buyers in Tokyo capital area will choose second-hand in 2020 this year. This reversal of the share of newly built condo and second-hand with a historic turnaround in the Tokyo Central condominium market over the decades. Then I guess I can say next, what is noteworthy about Japanese property market is the second-hand market, in particular Tokyo Central. Well, next time I will look at the second-hand market further detail, and the news and topics will be focusing on Tokyo Central, other than Tokyo 23 words in terms of property market. Well, change the story here. Japanese green card by owning a property in Japan. I will explain a little about the Japanese business manager visa and the property investment. It is possible to get a residency visa in Japan called the business manager visa by opening a company and running it in Japan that invests in Japanese property. The Japanese business manager visa requires the application to be an executive officer of a company established in Japan. So just the investments or purchases of property do not meet the requirement to get this visa. For qualifying for this visa, the investment and the purchases must be structured into a business, with the applicant becoming an executive. For example, it may be eligible for this visa through if your obtained property is utilized as a property renting business. Now let me show you briefly the requirements to apply for a business manager visa and for an extension. Investment fund. Investment funds. Company paid-up capital must be at least 5 million yen. And second, office space. Company must have a decent office store space in Japan. 3, a business plan. Company has to be practical and the business plan must be approved. 4 is the staff. The company staff. Company should hire at least one full-time employee with either Japanese national or a permanent resident, a spouse or child of a Japanese national, a spouse or child of a permanent resident, or foreign national with a long-term visa. Please refer to our website for further information. Please feel free to contact me by email below. So thank you for watching. Okay, see you next.